Hi guys, Racer, 38 POS Racing. Getting ready to put the lower trim for my windshield on here after I had the windshield replaced. Now these are held on with these nifty little clips here. I got them cleaned up, painted. And you can see where they go by where the screw holes are. And there's a whole bunch of them there. All the way across. That has to go in before that cowl vent does. I was checking that out. It seems I got a problem. Looks like we got two screws here that are broke off and have been. So that's today's project. Get them, out. We'll see how this goes. I can get a brush in there. Get them found. Got a little putty or something around this one. That's going to be a tough one to get onto. Now I could just get in there and start drilling. I don't want to do that right off. Take a couple different kinds of chisels and punches and implements of destruction. If we can tap them a little bit sideways here. Loosen that bond. Sorry, I'm sure this is loud. What's the chances we can get a hold of that? Slim but none, but Slim's still around. Keep giving her some taps here. I think it's moving a little. We'll tap on that one a little too. I think now she's ready for a little spray. Since we got to move, some of that penetrating oil can work in there. Hopefully. Hopefully there. Ooh. I don't know if you can hear that pop. That means it's moving. Get in there with a little sharper one. Put a little edge to grab onto. Maybe. You can also try to, works better for bigger stuff. Go off center. See if you can roll it around. I don't think we're going to have satisfaction. Okay, let that soak a little bit. I did. See what we got here. Put a little grind on my vice grips to help Ooh. Check that out. Work it, spray it, call it good. Now, I'm getting to it from the inside. That's a win. This other one, nah. Okay, we're back. Kind of worked on the edge there. I think that might not have been a bad idea. Win number 2.